Struggling to find the right people for your team? You're not alone. A great organization needs great talent, but if you don't know how to publish a vacancy on SMRT.BIO, you're missing out on the easiest way to attract the right candidates. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through every step of publishing your first vacancy, from selecting a job profile to making it go live for the world to see. Before we dive in, make sure you're subscribed to this channel. We're releasing more walkthroughs to help you master SMRT.BIO and unlock its full potential. Let's get started. First things first, in order to publish a vacancy, you'll need an organization. That's because each vacancy must be linked to an organization and a specific job profile. If you haven't created one yet, check out our video on how to create an organization. You'll find it linked in the description. Now let's say your organization is already created, but you can't find it. Just scroll down and click the user switcher icon. This is where you can toggle between different user types. For this tutorial, select the organization you want to post the vacancy under. On your organization's homepage, click the Vacancies tab. Then hit Let's Start to create your first vacancy. Every vacancy must be connected to a job profile. If you already have one, great. Link it here. If not, click Add New Job Profile. You'll have the option to create one from scratch or select a ready-made template. For this example, let's choose the graphic designer template and hit Select and Customize to continue. Fill in the job details as needed. You can also use SMRT.BIO's built-in AI assistant to help you write a more compelling and descriptive job profile. Once you're done, hit Continue. Now comes the passion test. This helps match the job profile with the ideal personality type. If you have a specific type in mind, take the test. Otherwise, just hit Continue to skip it. Next is the skills test. Add and select the key skills needed for this role. This helps define exactly what you're looking for in a candidate. Once you're done selecting the skills, hit Preview to review your job profile. On the preview screen, double-check all the info. If something looks off, click the back arrow in the top left and hit Edit Job Profile to make changes. When everything looks good, hit Save in the bottom right corner. Congrats, your job profile is ready. But when not done yet, it's time to create the actual vacancy. Hit the back button to return to the vacancy section and click Let's Start. Now choose the job profile you just created, in this case, our graphic designer role. This section is where you describe the job itself. Add keywords like remote office, competitive salary, team events, or anything else that might attract great applicants. Then hit Continue. Now it's time for the hard selection criteria. These are yes or no requirements the candidate must meet. For example, experience in graphic design for online marketing, or knowledge of print design. Add as many as needed, then click Continue. Next is the administrative section. Add educational requirements, expected work experience, job type, and salary. When you're done, hit Continue. You can also add more info from your job profile here, and don't forget to enter the job location. Then click Preview. This is your final review before publishing. At the top right, hit Edit if you want to make changes. If your text is long, click Read More to expand it. On the bottom left, there's a clock icon where you can set the job's ideal start and end date. If it's an indefinite contract, feel free to leave it blank. Ready to go live? Hit Publish now. And just like that, your vacancy is live on SMRT.BIO. From here, you can manage visibility settings, track applicants, or even assign someone else on your team to manage incoming applications. You can also set up notifications to make sure nothing gets missed. Back on your vacancy dashboard, you'll see all the positions you've posted, which ones are live, which ones are private, and which ones still need finishing touches. Share your vacancies far and wide. They'll automatically show up on the SMRT.BIO vacancy board and be visible to anyone ready to apply. Thanks for watching this tutorial. We hope it helps you find the right talent to grow your organization. Because at the end of the day, it's the people that make the team, and the right team makes everything possible.